Hi, this is Mark from ITbox. In this video, I would like to tell you about something very important when you work with your computer, with Windows, doesn't matter which edition, 7, 8, 10 or 11. The thing is about restore points. Restore points function is usually hidden, but it's very important, particularly when you are in troubles. Troubles with the settings, programs, or some functions of operating system which do not work correctly. To get to the restore point, you need to go to the start menu, type in your searching bar, word restore, and as you can see, first point on the list appeared create restore point. So you click on it, and now the system properties appeared and system protection tab opens. As you can see, non-restore points work at this moment. So this function is off. It's very important because if I would be in troubles and I would like to, for example, restore the operating system 2 days back, 3 days back, or week back, I can do it because the system didn't produce even one restore point. To activate restore point, you see this position: configure restore settings, manage disk space, and delete restore points. So you click the only available button here called configure. As you can see, you can do it from here. So you click turn on system protection, and now you can designate how much space of your hard drive you would like to give to restore points. Usually give about 5% of the disk space to be absolutely sure that I've got at least a few restore points in case of troubles. To be sure that everything's okay, you just press button apply, press OK, and as you can see, available drives, C drive has restore points on. So from now on, you can simply start creating restore points, and not only you manually can do it, but usually operating system do it for you automatically. If we go to the system restore now, click the button, as you can see, no restore points have been ever created on this system drive. You cancel it, so you can do it manually. You press create button, type today's date, like 22nd March 2022, and press create. And now the system takes a picture of itself with all settings, all programs, and now the restore point was created successfully. You close it, and to be sure that the restore points are working, you go to the system restored again button, click on it. As you can see, before we had straight away the red cross. Now we can go a bit further. That means that we have a system restore point. So we go to next. As you can see, today manually the operating system created the restore points. And when you're gonna continue working with this computer, another system restore points will be created automatically. So you cancel it, you close it, and now you can be absolutely sure that your operating system possesses the restore points. It's especially important when some updates, some settings don't work properly. So in terms of troubles and if the, for example, computer doesn't want to boot up, you can by emergency go to restore points and restore the system back to the date when everything was working absolutely fine. So you can be sure. One thing before we're gonna close this chat today is that when system restore points go back in time, the only thing what's changing are your operating system settings, your file, your settings, and your programs. Your files, your data, what you personally prepared, they are untouched. So you don't have to worry that if you go, for example, a few days back in terms of in situation of troubles, the data will be deleted. No, data staying as they is up to date. But system restore, if you go a few days back, if you in the meantime install some applications, those applications will be removed. So remember, application will be removed, data will stay untouched. I hope that you find this video useful. If you like, please subscribe my channel, leave me some like, and also put some comments at the bottom of the video so I will know exactly what kind of experience you have with restore points. It was Mark from IT Box, and see you in the next video about Windows 10.